This is Lydia. How are you guys? Today I'm going to introduce you about our gear-driven products. This is the 20-liter planetary mixers. The gear sets inside are made of the high carbon content material, and we will also apply the copper motor inside, which ensures the long lifetime of the product. And also for the control panel, it's very easily to operate. We have the 3-speed control, and we also have the simple switch. For all like these products, we can do the customized color or the design you want. Do you feel interested about our products?